Okay, so today our assignment is called A Week of Groceries Around the World. You will still find this in the Unit 1 Culture folder in Week 1, Why Should I Study Other Cultures and Perspectives? And that's what we're looking at this week is other cultures and perspectives and trying to get an appreciation. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is look at the link of the PDF, number 1, A Week of Groceries Around the World. And it will bring up an article. The article is not so important. It's the pictures that I want you to look at. The pictures are from different cultures around the world, and they've put what they buy in a week with them, and then the photographer shot the photo. So it's from an article called Hungry Planet, What the World Eats. And it'll tell you underneath, like this is Mexico, this is Great Britain, and so you're going to want to look at all the pictures, and then you are going to go back to the assignment, Week 1, our A Week of Groceries Around the World assignment, and your assignment is, now that you have looked at all the pictures and thought about the pictures, you open a Google Doc and you respond to the following question. What inferences can you make about the culture and the food consumed, and how do you know this? So how does this compare to your week of groceries? Choose at least 2 other cultures other than Canada and the United States. I don't want you to choose those because those are they're us. So you can choose any of the others. So your writing should be at least 350 words, and it is due Sunday by 10 p.m. So when you are looking at the picture from Great Britain, what you might notice, let's go back to it, what you might notice is all those pop bottles back there, all this bread, all this processed cereal, lots of processed food back there, but then you also have some fresh vegetables over here. So, and those paper plates, right? Those look like styrofoam plates. So you're going to want to make some conclusions based on the photo. What does the stuff in the photo tell you about the culture? This one is Australia. Take a look at the items in Australia and draw some conclusions. Again, 350 words is not that long. You're just picking 2 cultures and writing up your thoughts and what conclusions can you draw. Now, don't state the obvious, like, oh, in Australia they eat 2 pizzas a week. That's what the picture is telling me. What can you see beyond the picture? And if you have any questions, make sure you ask.